This is a method of reasoning question and we have to offer justification for the prediction. The expert's prediction is that the use of cloud seeding technology will increase significantly within the next few years. The missing link is between cloud seeding being too expensive and taking weeks to show effect and the prediction that the use of cloud seeding technology will increase significantly within the next few years. Our broad expectation from the correct answer choice is that it should explain why the use of the cloud seeding technology will increase significantly within the next few years, even when the technology is too expensive and it takes several weeks for it to take effect. Answer choice A. This answer choice says that droughts cannot be avoided by planting new trees. However, this answer choice makes no suggestion regarding other ways of controlling droughts. So this answer choice does not explain why the use of cloud seeding technology will increase in the coming few years. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B. This answer choice says that certain identifiable climatic conditions take place 2 or 3 months before the drought. If this is so, it indicates that cloud seeding technology can be used within 2-3 months before the drought, and hence, even if the cloud seeding technology takes several weeks to be effective, it may still lead to some positive effects. So this answer choice basically takes care of one of the problems associated with the technology, and hence it justifies the prediction that the use of the technology will increase significantly over the next few years. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C. The argument is concerned with whether the use of cloud seeding technology will increase, whereas this answer choice would talk about what happens in case there is an increase in demand of the technology. So this answer choice is just additional information and does not explain why the cloud seeding technology will increase in the coming few years. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D. This answer choice says that many of the regions are quite poor and do not have access to cloud seeding technology. If the regions are poor and, as the argument mentions, the technology is too expensive, it casts doubt on rather than explains why the use of the technology will increase. So this answer choice does the opposite of what we need. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E. The argument is concerned with droughts in India and whether the use of cloud seeding technology will increase in India. So this answer choice, which talks about other unaffected countries, is just additional information and does not offer the explanation for why there will be an increase in the usage of this technology. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.